This is tasty! Hi everyone, today we're going to make a Vietnamese steamed sausage, Huế style. It's very famous food in Vietnam. For the ingredients, we need 700 grams of ground pork, 300 grams of ground chicken, a third cup of cornstarch, 4 tablespoons of ice cold water, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1.5 tablespoon of cooking oil, 1 teaspoon of MSG, half a tablespoon of pepper, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 4 tablespoons of fish sauce, and 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. So, for the mix, you put the ground chicken and the pork together. Then add the baking powder to the cornstarch. Stir a little bit. Then add the cold water. Then stir a little bit. Then add the garlic powder to the meat. Also sugar, MSG, pepper, the cooking oil, the fish sauce, and the cornstarch mixer. Mix it well. Good job, lady. Then put the meat mixture in a Ziploc. Then put it in the freezer for 3 hours. While waiting, you can tear the banana leaves into pieces about 10 centimeters. Then use the leftover to make small strings. Use a soft cloth to wash both sides of the banana leaf. After 3 hours, take the meat out and mix it with a mixer. Divide it into 2 portions. Mix about 8 minutes for each portion. Go from low to higher speed. Every 2 minutes, stop and clean around the bowl. Then mix it again. Once done, put the meat in a plastic bag. Then put it in the freezer for another 2 hours. After 2 hours, mix it again. Do the same steps just like the first time. You can also add pepper if you want. Now, spread 1 piece of food wrap underneath, put the banana leaf on top, then place the meat in an icing bag and squeeze it out. Then fold it like this. Nicely done! Steam the whole thing for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, take the meat out, then cut it and squeeze it. Look how chewy it is. And voila! So yummy! Bon appétit!